supposedly ain't trying to show no love openly. Give me your hand. Trying to build a bridge so we can stay the course. I tech later track for the train of thought to run across. Come across places where faces got tracks of tears. Cause the human race will run up on their backs for years. Yeah. But they don't break. They keep it moving like when I travel the land of people. Other people do it. How other people go through it. I'm bridging the gap like the Black Eyed Peas. The love I'm giving it back to see your phrase up. I'm living for that. To keep trying means you keep failing. But if you don't keep trying, it means you keep dying. What the hell, we gon' die anyway. Keep your soul alive while you hear is what I'm trying to say. Bridge to Bama. Bring your wife, bring your brother, bring your kids, your mama. Come on, shit's bananas. The way we paint pictures in the vivid manner. Bridge to Bama. Bring your wife, bring your brother, bring your kids, your mama. Shit's bananas. The way we paint pictures in the vivid manner. Yeah. Come on. Break it down like, come on. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Quality. So live. That's how we do it like. We keep it moving like. It's hip hop like. Jazz music like. Everybody in the spot. Come on. Everybody rock with the light. Come on. Everybody in the spot. Come on. Brooklyn to the natty light. Come on. Y'all, throw the babies in. Come on. And it's for you and. Brown, I'm a pro, but not a noun. Now, if you got beef, you get ground, cut up and so, by the pound for pound, I'm going down, like you let round, I'm the round, not a rebound, so like a hound, I get down, never more release, but I'ma show you how ruthless my goose, got more soul than combat goose. That's why I came, they keep calling me, man, they call my name, I say I can't give it away now, I say when, say what, or say how. Okay, between you and me, man, it's on this white rap. I got the power. I just might snap. We gon' fly. This one called Just the Park now. All the way from New York to the park now. Wanna hip hop now. Yo, Tariq, what's up? How your microphone sound? It sound tight, but I ain't sure what it's about. We got to blow up the spot because they must have forgot. We double trouble, bubble that hot. Well, it's like smack the track off and leave dancing it. The vocalist busting its blunt instrument bit. The magnificent rappers run from it. All fly girls, nipples and toes.